Alright, welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be talking about steps per millimeter and calibrating them. How do you do it? Well, the first thing you're going to need is a caliper. I lock mine out to 10 millimeters right there, and I use a Sharpie. Any type of pen can really work. What you're actually going to do with this is you're going to mark right up here at 10 millimeters. You want your nozzle preheated to whatever material's in there. In this case I got white PLA. I find it's a little bit easier to do that with. And then you're going to go over to your, I like to use my on computer control, basically punch in to extrude 10 millimeters of filament. I'm going to extrude that, and then I'm going to take a look at this line and see where it lines up. See if we can't get in there for you. Can't really see. Let's come back. Let's just zoom in there. You can see from where I measured, it's still sticking up just a little bit. So I need to increase my number. The easiest way to do that is to come over to your terminal here, punch in an M92, and then a space with an E command. So I'm going to try 190 and see if that makes it any better. Punch in enter, same thing. Mark, obviously you can't use the same mark anymore because it's probably not very accurate. So right there. I'm going to extrude 10 millimeters again. That got me really close, but still not quite there. That was about half the distance that I needed. You can see it's still zoom and autofocus just don't work on this camera. You can see it's just barely hanging up on there. I'm going to give it another try. This time I'm going to punch in just 5 more. So instead of 190, I got it at 195. It's quite a bit better. Let me just try it one more time, getting a little bit finer on my markings. That's probably going to do it. Now, I print a test cube and we shall see. Thanks for joining.